Hello, Porter Ridge High School. This is Dr. Fasen, your principal, and I am coming to you with information about course selection or registration information for students who will be in 10th, 11th, and 12th grade next year. So those are students who are in the class of 2022, 2023, and 2024. As we start this, I want to let you know that this presentation will also be on our Porter Ridge High School website under our high school course registration info page. And it will be available both with the audio and without. So if we go over here to the Porter Ridge High School website, you can get to this page one of two ways. You can go to the Explore button and select Parents and Students, and then you will see high school course registration as one of your selections. Or you can go to the middle of the main web page's screen and click on Quick Links, and you can choose high school course registration. So it will bring you here, lots of information here. This is our timeline. We are doing our presentation on registration on Friday, February 12th, that's today. Then we will also have our registration period where you sign up. You need to talk to your parents about your course selections and get those entered between Friday, February 12th and Thursday, February 18th, when the window closes. On February 16th, which is during that window, there's a question and answer virtual sessions, and you can sign up to be invited to those sessions. And then there is also, we will also be meeting with, counselors will be meeting with our students starting February 19th and going for about a month through your second period classes. So you need to make sure that you are listening to teachers on when you will have your meeting. So underneath that timeline, there's lots of information. The presentations will be here along with how you actually put it in PowerSchool. Then there's lots of information about academic course plans, career pathways, and academies that we have throughout Union County and at Porter Ridge High School, AP course options, graduation requirements, the program of studies, and then more information and presentations on career and technical education and elective choices. Below that, there will be some applications for courses that require an application to be completed. We will also have information down here about the AP Capstone program, diploma program. We are the only school in Union County that offers that. So you can actually graduate high school with two diplomas, one a high school diploma and the other an AP Capstone diploma. So those are great avenues for you to follow as well. And then just some more information about life at Porter Ridge High School. So make sure that you go and visit that page. Okay, back to the presentation. So in order to graduate, receive your high school diploma, you have to earn 28 credits. You have the opportunity to earn 32 overall by taking 4 classes a semester, but you have to have 28 to graduate. You need 4 credits in English, 4 in math, 3 in science, 4 in social studies, 1 health and PE, 6 academic elective credits that have to be either from art CTE or second language, and then a concentration in one of those areas, including ROTC, and then 6 additional elective credits after that. Please note, if you are in the classes of 2022 and 2023, so next year you'll be a junior or senior, your 4 history credits are World History, Civics and Economics, American 1, and American 2. If you are currently a freshman and you'll be a sophomore next year, you're in the class of 2024, and you have to take still 4 social studies credits, but they are World History, Civic Literacy, American History, which is a combination course, and then Economics and Personal Finance. So just note there's a slight difference there as we go through this presentation. There are 3 levels that you can take courses at here at Porter Ridge High School: college prep, honors, and advanced placement. College prep courses are standard level courses and prepare you for college. Honors level courses demand greater independence from you, the student, and contain more challenging material than college prep courses. AP level courses have content, a pace, and an academic rigor that is a college level, and it prepares you to take the AP exams in the spring, which may allow you to earn some college credit before you get to college. GPA. This table breaks down the quality points that you will earn for each course you take in order to determine your GPA, or your grade point average. If you take an honors level course and you get an A, you will earn 0.5 quality points higher than if you were to take that same course at the college prep level. And then the AP course is 0.5 quality points higher than the honors course. Remember that you have to compare that by the grade that you get. So if you get an A in an honors class, you would have a 4.5. But if you were to take this same class at an AP level and you only got a B, you would actually only earn a 4.0. So it's important to look at how well you do in each of the different areas. And in areas where you really excel, challenge yourself with more rigorous courses. And in areas where you struggle, that might be an area where you take that course at a college prep level. To find your GPA, you add all the quality points you have earned from your classes and divide it by the number of classes you have taken. The other thing you need to know about your grade point average is that you do have the opportunity to take one course per school year on a pass-fail basis. There are restrictions with pass-fail. The first and one of the most important, because it's timely, is that you can only request to take a course pass-fail in the first 10 days of the semester, and there are no exceptions to that. You also have to be careful because you can only take elective courses as pass-fail. You cannot take your graduation requirements as pass-fail. There are also certain recognition programs, such as North Carolina Scholar, that won't allow certain courses to have a pass-fail grade. You have to have a letter grade instead. So you need to make sure that you talk to your counselor about whether pass-fail is the right option for you and which course would be best to use it. There are students that use the pass-fail option to buffer their GPA for a course that might not be offered as an upper level. So if you take most of your courses at an honors and an AP level, but there's a really interesting class you want to take, it's only offered at a college prep level, talk to your counselor about using pass-fail in order to buffer your GPA from taking that course. The next several slides list the required core classes that you must take in each of the areas. In English, you must take an English course each year. The options are listed here on this page: 9th grade English 1 or Advanced Inquiry if you already took English 1 in 8th grade. 10th grade English 2 is the normal course, but some students take Advanced Inquiry. And in 11th and 12th grade, you can see the options listed here. Math courses, every student must take Math 1, 2, and 3. And then for Math 4, there are multiple options to take for your fourth math course. If you are a student that really struggles in math, see your counselor because there may be some options there to support your learning in math. Required science classes, you have to have 3. You can take Earth Science or you can take AP Environmental Science to fulfill that Earth graduation requirement. Every student must take biology, and then every student must take a physical science course. That could be physical science, it could be chemistry, or it could be physics. Again, social studies, I went over these requirements at the start of the presentation. The ones on this page are for students in the class of 2022 and 2023. Class of 2024, refer back to that first slide for the courses that you need to take. The next 2 slides list the core elective courses you could choose to take to fulfill the other elective courses that you need. For example, in English, you could take creative writing, mythology, speech and debate, or yearbook. In math, you may choose to take elective courses such as AP Calculus AB or AP Calculus BC or AP Stats. Science elective courses, forensic science, physics, anatomy and physiology, or numerous AP classes. And in social studies, there are lots of elective courses: Cold War, global awareness, psychology, and lots of AP courses as well. Be sure that you refer to the program of studies for more information on all of the courses offered. That's linked later in this presentation and was also on that first page I showed you on the Porter Ridge High School website. Again, you do not have to take a world language to graduate high school. However, if you're planning on attending a 4-year college, the majority of those colleges will expect you to have a minimum of 2 levels in the same language. Additionally, taking a world language provides you the opportunity to speak to people in a different language, which you can use in everyday life, and you can also use in travel and or in the work that you do. Currently, we teach 3 different languages in the classroom at Porter Ridge: French, Latin, and Spanish. If you wish to take a different language than those 3, you can look at Arabic, German, Japanese, Mandarin Chinese, or Russian. Many of those are offered online, and if there is space available, you can explore that option. Fine and performing arts consists of 4 areas: band, chorus, theater, and visual arts. And some of the courses offered are listed here. You should look in the program of studies for more options in fine and performing arts. These are great areas to specialize in while you are in high school. Porter Ridge High School has created 15 career pathways to help you choose courses as you prepare for future studies and the workforce. The 15 pathways are listed here on the right, and more information on each one of those pathways can be found on the Porter Ridge High School website. You can link directly from here, or you can go to Porter Ridge High School website and go to the Parent and Student tab to find the same information. You can see here each one of these pathways lists careers along with the specific courses for that pathway, related courses that you can take at Porter Ridge, and then college level courses as well. There are 23 career academies throughout Union County Public Schools that rising juniors and seniors can apply to be in. 5 of those academies are right here at Porter Ridge High School: Advanced Film Editing and Design, Culinary Arts, Drafting, Pharmacy Tech, and Veterinary Assisting. There is an application that you would need to complete in order to proceed on getting entrance into those academies. These are the other academies located throughout other Union County Public Schools high schools. For these academies, including the ones here at Porter Ridge, you do have to fill out that academy application that is linked at the bottom of this page. JROTC courses are offered to students and are taught at Piedmont High School, but we are lucky to be in that program. The JROTC program is a program for both Porter Ridge and Piedmont High School. We do provide bus transportation over to Piedmont during the school day for you to take these courses, and there are some great options there. Some of the courses that you might wish to enroll in require an application. Your counselor will go over that with you when they meet with you, but you can find all of those applications on the Porter Ridge High School website on that first page I took you to from the beginning of this presentation. Remember that if you have to fill out an application, you must get that done before you will be enrolled in that course. Flex Day is included on here, peer tutor, teacher assistant, media assistant, the leadership class for student council. Those applications were due already in February. So make sure that you do get those applications done for the courses that you still can apply to. You'll notice yearbook is here, and that's available for 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade, and is a great course to have on your resume for both college and career. Career and College Promise courses are college courses that are taken either at South Piedmont Community College or online from home or at school, depending on what grade level you're in. Typically, rising 11th and 12th grade students are students that take college and Career and College Promise courses. So please make sure that you read over all of the requirements. You can see your counselor or Ms. White in the counseling office for more information. Teachers have been asked to put in recommendations for each of their students, recommending the courses that they feel the student can be challenged in and be successful in. If you feel that the course level is not the one you were looking for, please talk to your teacher first to hear what their viewpoint was. Then you can talk with your counselor, and if you would like to change the course level, there is the possibility to do that. You have to have parent permission, and your counselor can discuss what you need to do for that. The program of studies from Union County Public Schools is where you can find all the information you need in regards to course descriptions, grade level promotion, academy information, and much more. Make sure that if you are unsure of what a course is, that you look at the description in the program of studies before you sign up for it. The links are on this page. Again, here is the timeline that we already reviewed at the start of this presentation, but this is for your information. Once you meet with your counselor through your second block class, both you and your parent will receive an email. It will have a Google form sign off. And that is very important for both you and your parent to sign off on that the day that you get it. We will not move your course request forward until we have your signature, your electronic signature from both you and your parent. So make sure that you get that done quickly. When you are selecting your courses for next school year, make sure that you are selecting the classes and alternates wisely. The choices you make now will most likely be your schedule or the majority of your schedule. We will not make any schedule corrections for students who were placed in their first choice course or an alternate choice they requested. So choose your first choice classes wisely. Choose your alternate classes wisely. Make sure those are classes that you would like to be in. Schedule corrections will only be considered for the following reasons: a senior who's missing a required course for graduation or admission to a college, a student who has not met or is missing the prerequisite for a course that you are enrolled in, or a student that already passed and earned credit for a course that you are enrolled in. Remember that we create our whole schedule based on your student requests. When you pick something in the spring and change your mind, we cannot change the master schedule for you. So again, we ask you to choose your courses wisely, talk to your parents before you complete your course selections on PowerSchool, and we hope that you decide to challenge yourself in your classes and to take something that interests you while you are here at Porter Ridge High School. If you have questions, please reach out to your counselor.